Hey, what's up, everybody? My name is David Carter,
And I'm Reggie Walker.
and welcome to Locker Room Talk. And today's show is brought to you by Strategic Advisor Board and Game Within the Game.
The Game Within a Game is the first and only college accredited course written for student athletes by professional athletes on how to make a tremendous impact on and off the field during and after your careers.
Boom. All right, so today's episode is about, knowing who you are as a person, right? And so, Reg, why is it important to know who you are as a person, at your core?
It's important to understand that because you have to understand how to step out on the strongest foot going forward. And too often people go out on their weakest foot going forward, whether it's from insecurities, whether it's from fear, whether it's just like not trying to do what everyone else is doing. But the fact is, you're the one who's doing the work. You're the one who's living your life. And when it comes down to it, you have to put yourself in the best situation possible for possible success. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, like give me an example, like how someone stepping out on their weakest foot, and just like for an athlete, I know a lot of times people are playing defensive line and using speed rush, trying to be a speed rush end, right? When you're not a speed rush guy at all, you're not fast at all, and you're not using the gifts that you've been blessed with, and you're trying to do something else because you're not confident in your abilities.
Right. Or even in basketball, right? Say you're a 6 foot point guard, right? You got a good shot, but you instead of shooting, you're gonna be like, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go play in the post.
Right.
All these 7-footers, all these trees in there, I'm going
Right.
to get in a post and I'll be hitting people with these jump hooks.
Exactly.
You're not setting yourself up for success.
Just know who you are, believe in that, whether it be good or bad. Like you said, you'd be a 7-footer, but you're trying to be out here and shoot. It's like, no, like believe in that. Believe in your skills and what your strength is. And then if you're weak in something, then you can work on that and become better in that sense, right? Like, it's why it's important to know yourself.
But your strengths too, just like what you're saying, your strengths are what pave a way for you.
Mm-hmm.
The thing is really understanding how to use your strengths. Being like, you have to be resourceful in understanding your strengths.
Mm-hmm.
There's a lot of ways in which to carve out a way using your own specific strengths to get from point A to point B.
Mm-hmm.
The game of it all, and this is the game that we all have to play, is how can I use my particular strengths to get to the point I particularly want to get to.
Right. And then another reason why it's important to know who you are is as far as your strengths and weaknesses is because where you're strong at, you're strong at. But where you're weak at, all right, now you need mentors, right? You need teammates who are strong in that area in which you are weak in so you can learn from them and you guys can work together to get to your common goal. And so that's another reason why it's very important to do that. Is it makes you to know who you are because it makes you a better person, but it also puts you in position to be a better teammate.
It also helps you to make better plans for yourself.
Yeah.
Make better plans. Just like the example of a point guard. Man, I need to stay out of the post. That's going to get me messed up. I need to make sure that I can create space so I'm not dealing with these trees. I'm also not the tallest guy. So I need to so in order to make myself get to the point where I want to be, which is being an amazing player or whatever that could be, I understand I need to do things that are going to help me to excel in that area. I need to be quick. I need to be fast. I need to know how to create space for myself. I need to be good with my dribbles. There's a lot of things that I need to understand that work specifically for me. If I was a 7-footer, I might have a different understanding. I have different strengths. So I need to be working on different strengths if that was the key. Just like even as a player, we talk about, too often guys get messed up because they're trying to do what this person's good at and what that person's good at. And instead of just really honing into what makes them them. Mm-hmm. And really believing, just like you said, that I can create a way for myself by just being who I am. But I just need to know that and work on that and also avoid or make a plan to shore up the things that I'm weak at. Because sometimes you got to avoid them. Sometimes you need to shore it up. You have a very limited amount of time, but you gotta keep going forward. So whatever's going to help me move forward, I'm going to do that.
Do that.
So for this, pull your journals out. We're going to be doing a lot of journaling with this. We believe in the power of writing stuff down. So for this, what we want you to do is look at yourself objectively, like you're the main character in a movie. In 4 to 5 sentences, describe yourself. Who are you? What are you? And with that, I think that's a good point to end on, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Do
cool.
that. Do that. Understand. We gotta work on our endings.
Yeah, we gotta work on it. But anyways,
but do that. Write that out. Write that who you are, and that character, and visualize yourself. All of it. Your mental, physical, all that. Who you are as a character.
Cool.
That's
so
it.
if you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. We'll be doing daily videos for 5 days a week, basically. And until the next video, peace.
Peace.